This is the story of a little pencil ready to begin its journey. When guided by the right hands, you can do amazing things. Like a pencil, your first steps may be small but meaningful. Sometimes life will put you through sharpening moments. Though it may hurt, sharpening makes you stronger and sharper. Mistakes will happen along the way, and that's okay. Remember, every mistake can be corrected with effort. Once corrected, your work shines brighter than before. On the outside, you may look ordinary. But what truly matters is the strength within you. Your actions, like a pencil words, can spread kindness. And the joy you create will touch someone's heart. Time may shorten your days, but never your purpose. Even when smaller, you can still leave a big impact. Your efforts fill the world with wisdom and memories. In the end, what counts is the good you have written. Others will treasure the marks you have left behind. Even when you are gone, your light will keep inspiring. Be like a pencil, useful, humble, and inspiring. The life of a pencil remained as greatness lies in helping others. Thanks for watching. For more interesting, subscribe Kids Chain Diary.